thank you for watching. Today we're opening up the fall Venmo box. So this is a quarterly subscription box, and in each box you get 5 to 6 full-size lifestyle items and then 2 bottles of wine. Venmo was kind enough to extend that amazing promo code we talked about last season. So if you use the code KITTY, you will get a free bottle of wine for the lifetime of your subscription. So as long as you stay subscribed, you will get 3 bottles of wine in each of your boxes. I think that is such an amazing deal. I love wine, the more the better, so I think that is great. This box costs $59.99 per season, and in this box we're supposed to get at least a value of $148, and that's not including the free bottle of wine. So can't wait to start the unboxing. Before we do so, I just want to take a quick moment to say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes. I pretty much open them every single day here on our channel. So if you love subscription boxes too, I'd absolutely love it if you subscribe. That would mean so much to me. We actually recently hit 10,000 subscribers, so it's a big thank you for you guys for all your love and support. I'm hosting a giveaway. If you guys have not yet entered, I will link that at the end of this video, and I'll try and remember to pin a comment down below as well. But let's get started. How about we start with the lifestyle items? So this is what the box looks like. I forgot to mention, when you sign up, you get to tell them your wine preferences. They have 4 different options, so you can get all reds, all whites, all sweet wines, or a mix of both, so you'll get red and white. Let's give a little sneak peek of what we're getting today. They always include some cards on each of the products that is super informative. And typically they give promo codes for each of the companies as well that are featured in the box. So this is what the cards look like. And let's just go in order of the cards. This looks so good. I'm so excited. I could totally use this. I'm actually playing trivia in like less than an hour. My friend's coming over. It's on Zoom, so I'm really excited. That kind of motivated me to open this box, the wine part. Oh, but look how cute this is. I need to rinse this off and use this tonight. I love it. I love how there's a cap and a straw. So this is Swig stainless steel insulated stemless cup. Oh, there's like a gnat or something. This is 14 ounces, so it keeps drinks cold up to 9 hours and hot up to 3 hours. It's dishwasher safe, love that. There's a reusable straw provided, BPA free, leak proof, and shatterproof lid, non-slip silicone base, professional grade stainless steel, and triple insulated technology. This does seem like great quality, and I love this like pink color and the blue. So cute. So this has a retail value of $32, wow. And on here it'll talk more about the item and why they love the company. And then there's a promo code for 15% off the stemless wine cups. Oh yeah, I might have to get another. This is awesome. And they talk about how this is perfect if you're like by the pool or having hot tea in the morning or even ice cream sundaes before bed. Good idea. Bad idea. Anyway, I'm totally sweating right now, so if I get glowy as the video goes on, sweat glow. Let's open this next. Oh my god, I'm really excited to get this. This is by Broken Top. This is their white birch linen spray in cypress, eucalyptus, and pine. So I think I first heard of this company because it was featured in FabFitFun. I could be thinking of the wrong company, but I was wanting something like this. I could totally use linen spray like for my clothes and for my couches and stuff. And look how cute the packaging is. So it actually says you could use this as a body spray as well. It's made with organic aloe leaf juice, witch hazel water, fragrance and stuff. It says use body spray after showering, or linen spray you can spray directly on clean linens. This is so cute. So this is a retail value of $16, and they have a 30% off code here if you spend $100 or more. Let's spray it. Oh my god, I sprayed a piece of paper. This smells so good. Something about it reminds me of Christmas time, which is like, you know, a nice scent. It like brings back good memories. It must be the cypress and pine here. Yeah, the pine for sure. I am super excited about this. And I don't know if I said, but you get 4 ounces of product in here. Next up, this is something I actually have and really like, so I'm gonna have to share it with one of you guys. This is by Daily Concepts, the Daily Headband. Comfortably control hair and protect from moisture. It's perfect to wear when applying makeup, cleansing, or for spa treatments. And it comes in such a cute color. I love wearing stuff like this when I am doing my makeup. And yeah, like I said, I have this one. I got it I don't know why I'm even saying this. I got it in a box. I don't remember one. Of course, I get everything in a box. So this is $12, and there is a promo code for 20% off any purchase on Daily Concepts. Ooh, yay, I love this brand. I can recognize it. This is by C.R. Gibson. They're always featured in Confetti Collection, and this is such a beautiful print. It says sticky notes. So there's some overwrap. Let me get it out. These are $10. These are the sticky note folio. Oh wait, it opens even when you don't take off the thing. Oh. This is so cute. I can't wait to use this. Oh my gosh. These are like my colors exactly. And I love lists and sticky notes and all of that stuff. So how pretty is this? I love it. I like want to wear that. I'm wearing like a floral print. I wear so many floral prints, but so pretty. And then on the inside, there's a list paper here. It says, remember this. And then there's sticky notes say, make it work, hustle, memos. And then there's some line sticky notes. I think this is so cute. I am going to start using this right away. I love this. And there's a code for 20% off anything at crgibson.com. Well, next up we have a charm bracelet. I didn't put on much jewelry. Oh, I have these earrings I just got in Good Vibes Scribe, but I'm gonna put this on. Let me get out of the bag so I can show you better. This is a tickled pink clay charm bracelet, and it is $8. Ooh, I like this color. So there's a little charm that says beautiful. And then this is what it looks like. This is so cute. So this is what it looks like on. Love it. And it looks like you could have gotten this in a variety of colors, I'm assuming, since they're showing them there. I like the color I have. It's like mustardy yellow. Love it. And then we always seem to get a really good snack to enjoy with wine, like perfect for wine. This is by Seeds du Soleil, dark chocolate covered sunflower seeds. Oh my gosh, I've never had that before. That sounds really good though. And something that like seriously would pair perfect with wine, especially red wine. So this is $4. Oh, it's a great source of protein and vitamin B too. So I'll use any excuse to eat more chocolate. Nice. So you get 3 ounces, and there's like a little flip top, so that is nice. And there's a code here to get free shipping on any order on sunflowerfoodcompany.com. So those are all the lifestyle items. Now we will go over the wine. So Vino actually makes their own wines. I think that is super cool. And this box is sent to me free for review, and they send me a mix. So remember when I was saying how you get to choose like between 4 different wine types based on your preference. So I get red and white, and they were so kind to send me a 3rd bottle. So if you use the code I was talking about earlier to get the free bottle for life, this is what, you know, this is representation of that. And all the bottles cost between $21 and $26 each. So how about we start off with the one that's closest to me. This is a red Speechless Cabernet Sauvignon 2018 California. Sorry, can't speak. Yay, I love reds. I actually like all wine, but I love a good cab. So this has aromas of toasted oak, jam, tea leaves that lead to flavors of rich dark fruits with firm tannins. And then the next bottle is also Speechless, and this is their Chardonnay, also from 2018. And it says this delivers aromas of golden delicious apples, Meyer lemon zest, and pineapple with hints of vanilla, creme brulee, brioche, and honey. Flavors range from peach to starfruit and sweet cream butter with a rich mid-palate texture and a bright finish of grapefruit and green apple. This sounds so good. Like a little bit chilled, it'll be awesome. And then the bonus wine they sent, this is by Mad Love, and it's the 2017 Santa Ynez Valley Riesling. And this has aromas of stone fruit, flavors of lychee and Thai basil, finishing flavors of white peach and white something. This is in cursive and I like can't read it, but this sounds really good too. So Riesling's more of like a sweet wine, right? I do like it. I'm trying to think what I will drink first. I guess I will let my friend that's coming over decide. So that was everything, you guys. I loved this box. I think I'm the most excited about, well, I'll be honest, the wine. I love wine. And then this wine glass. This is so cute. and I love that there's a lid. I think this will be perfect when I'm like editing videos at night and having some wine by my computer. I don't have to worry about spilling, and seriously, so cute. And also, I think the next item I'm most excited about is this little sticky note pad by Sarah Gibson. So pretty. I love stuff like this. But honestly, everything, like the linen spray, the treats, even the headband, because I have this and love it, and now I know I can like include this in my next giveaway, which by the way, just another reminder, definitely enter the 10K giveaway that ends in like a little less than 2 weeks, I believe. And if you guys are interested in subscribing, definitely take advantage of that promo code to get a free bottle of wine with every box for your lifetime of the subscription. I think that is great because, like I said earlier, the wines cost between $21 and $26, so that will add up, and who doesn't want more wine? I think that is amazing. So thank you, Vinyl, for sending me this box and for providing us with such an amazing code. And thank you all so much for being here and unboxing this with me. Another thank you to my channel members. I appreciate your support so much. If you guys are interested in channel membership, I always leave a link down below. One of the perks is a bi-weekly live stream, which I always have like little giveaways for members. So if you guys are interested, definitely check that out, but no pressure. I know times are hard. Just thank you for being here and watching. I really appreciate it. I appreciate every single one of you. I hope you're all safe and healthy. I love you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.